Awesome. Welcome to your starter mission. This is the Facebook starter mission, and this is probably the most important thing you can watch and thing you can take action on, because what we're going to do together, we're going to go out there to Facebook and we're going to download over $1 billion worth of Facebook research. Now, where does that number come from? What does that even mean? What this means is there's basically huge corporations, huge companies out there who are literally paying billions of dollars every single year to get ahead on Facebook. And what we're going to do is we're going to go out there, sneak around and get their results, get to see what they're doing that's working really well, and bring it back and use the exact same strategies that they're discovering and innovating on to use them on our page before they spread too wide and become mainstream. So we're going to be innovators, we're going to be first movers, and the best thing that you need to do to start this process is to download the Certified Facebook Marketing Workbook that comes with this course. Now, you can print it out like I did, or you can use it online, but basically it is a big book. We're going to be going through it page by page together, working on exactly what we're gathering in this module, in this lecture right here. We're going out and we're collecting 10 accounts. So you're going to see a page like this. This is about page 6. And basically we're going to find what I call the Facebook Friendly 5. And the big business 5. So the Facebook friendly 5 are going to be your competitors. So you need to know the competitors in your niche who are doing well. For me, myself, I help people sell products on Amazon FBA, and we have a business around this. So it's basically, if you wanted to sell a product, a physical product on the Amazon store, I can show you how to do that really well. Now, there's a lot of companies who do this, and I'm going to go out there, and it's an entrepreneurship niche. So I'm going to go and find entrepreneurship pages that are doing well. And we're going to do this together right now and write them in here. As you go out and you find 5 pages on Facebook, I'll show you how to find them if you don't know yet, who are your competitors. I call them your friendly 5 because they're not really your competitors, because they're going to help you learn. And actually in this course, I'm going to show you how you can get Facebook to also be reporting back on what your competitors are doing well, so you can use that for your own page. Facebook's going to be on our team as well. Then the big business 5 are the big billion-dollar companies who are literally spending billions of dollars to research Facebook, to research social media, and they're bringing these strategies onto Facebook and they're innovating on them, and they're growing to tens of millions and hundreds of millions of followers and fans. I'm going to show you how you can go out there and we can dissect exactly what they're doing and get the results for ourselves. So first thing you need to do is make sure you get the download this book. It's in the downloads. I'll put on the screen exactly how to do it if you're still unsure, but it is critical for the success in this course. It's basically 50% of your learning will come from what I'm teaching you. 50% will be us going out there and doing the exercises together. So hopefully you've downloaded that book. And now let's jump into what's on my screen up here. So you can see I've already gone out and I found my competitors. I found the 10 that I'm going to be researching with you throughout the entirety of this course. Now, 5 of them are big businesses and 5 of them are my direct competitors. If you don't know how to go and find them, we're going to go through these one by one in just a second. But what you need to do is you need to know what niche you're in. So I'm in the Amazon FBA niche. So for example, if I wanted to come onto Facebook homepage and come up here and just type in Amazon FBA, because that is my niche, is Amazon FBA. Come over to pages, because we want to be researching pages, and I can find immediately some of my competitors. I can see how well they're doing by how many likes they've got. And what I want to do is I want to find 5 people. Now I'm very aware of who's in my niche, and we can go through them now. Actually, the first one I've got is Amazon Ninjas. This is a very nice guy called Kevin David, and he teaches Amazon FBA. So he's going to go on my watch list, of my Friendly 5 watch list. So I'm going to grab my pen. I'm going to write down Amazon Ninjas. Now, you don't have to print this out. You can do this on a Google Drive doc alongside the booklet, or you can download it onto an Adobe PDF and fill it out on top of the booklet. Now, I have amazing.com. Now, just to make sure you guys are aware of what niche I'm actually in, because we're going to be diving into my page, my Facebook group, and all these strategies together. I help people sell products on Amazon. So if you ever shopped on Amazon before, you're most likely buying from just someone's store. You're not buying from Amazon directly, you're buying from another seller who's actually selling their product. I help people do this and make money by selling on Amazon. And so do all these companies. You can see they're advertising how much money they're making on Amazon. This is website called amazing.com, who is a big competitor of mine. I'm going to go ahead and put them into my booklet, my results booklet. I didn't call it a work booklet because it's not a work booklet, it's a results booklet. It's going to get results. You can actually see here, this thing keeps popping up. We're going to go through it together, but this is a momentum post I've made. You can see I've got over 500 comments. So I'm just going to close that out now, but I'm going to show you how you can do these momentum posts for yourself. Just a little insight into the course, because I'm excited to share all this stuff with you. Put a lot of effort, a lot of work in this course. I'm excited to dive in together. But for now, we need to set ourselves up for success. We need to be filling out this book. And if you're not filling out this booklet or doing this research alongside me now, it's not going to be boding very well for the rest of the course. So pretty please make sure you jump onto the the Facebook search up here and be typing in your niche. So if you're Amazon FBA, if you rather run a paleo brand, you can type in paleo and see what pops up there. Go to pages and see the pages that are popping up, because the pages that are popping up high and have quite a lot of followers and likers are the ones that you're going to be wanting to copy along and follow at home. And we're going to be dissecting these pages that we follow, the 10 that we write down, section by section together. We're going to go get out the monocle, the microscope, and go deep into it together. So make sure you pretty please are doing this alongside with me. You head over to Facebook, open a new window, and you're finding your competitors and finding 5 other big businesses, which I'll get into why we're doing that in a second. So Dan Locke is not in the Amazon niche like myself, but he isn't in the entrepreneurship niche, which is one circle bigger than mine. So he's on my list, and we're going to investigate him together. Derek Struggle, he's another one in the Amazon niche. And of course, this is just us researching it, and that was our first one. And then, of course, I want to follow actual Amazon. So Amazon, the company, because our business involves Amazon. We're actually selling products on their store. I want to make sure that I'm in touch with what they're doing. They've got almost 30 million followers, almost 30 million people like it, 29 million people follow it. A lot of my friends follow it. So I want to see what they're doing to get so many likers and followers. Now, you may say this is more important. This thing keeps popping up because I opened it when it was already alerted. These big companies are literally spending billions of dollars towards their social media campaigns, and everything that they put up, every piece of content, every photo, every cover image. We're going to go through all these aspects of the page and how we can all optimize our pages to be like these big companies who are doing really well and have millions of people. But every single little detail on this page are scrupulously looked over. So we want to make sure we're dissecting them one by one, and we want to make sure that we find big businesses that have big results. So for the big business 5 in the workbook, we want to make sure we have something like this, the Lad Bible. Now, it's not a big traditional company, but it's a social media company, and they share viral content that gets insane engagement and insane amount of likes and followers. You can see right here, a lot of my friends are liking this. You can see they got different pages popping up, sub pages of their main page, and we're going to go through all this together. But all I know is they get so much engagement and they get so many followers. They're doing something incredibly well. And even though this is not the same niche or same category as my page, I can definitely take aspects of pages like this that are doing well, pages like Nike, which have, once again, billion-dollar brands and 30 million followers. Audi is another one that I really like, with over 11 million likes and absolutely spectacular content. I'm going to be writing these down in my Big Business 5, and I'm going to be dissecting them with you as you dissect your Big Business 5 and your Friendly 5. Coca-Cola is a massive Facebook page, over 100 million likes, which is absolutely incredible. They share great little snippet videos, which we're going to show you how to create for your own brand and company. And then Lululemon was the last one that I chose. Now, for you to choose yours, once again, come up to the search here and just start typing in brands you know. If you like Gucci, you can come over here and follow Gucci. If you like, I just thought of Prada. Let's go out of this niche though. Let's go over to Ferrari. Ferrari is going to be here. Come over to pages. I'm pretty sure Ferrari has a Facebook page. They do, 16 million. You can see what they're doing here. Now, to make sure that they're worth following, you want to come down and see that they get high engagement rates. So they want to get thousands of people reacting to their comments and to their post like this is, which is excellent. And they want to have a couple of million at least followers and likes, because then we know what they're doing is successful. We know they know how to grow on Facebook, and we know that in this course, once you've filled out this sheet, we can move on and we can start dissecting these businesses, dissecting the Facebook page, the Facebook funnel, marketing bots. Everything is in this course, ads, it's all here. I'm excited to jump in, so make sure before we move on, you fill out your sheet, you do the research, you get your first small win under our belt, so we can go into the journey together and excited.